right, folks, what we got here is a Toyota Camry. This is a 2016 model XSE. It's time to change the cabin air filter. This is the STP brand sold by AutoZone CAF 1816P. All right, that's the baby right there. And like most of these cabin filters, they're found in the glove box. But in this model, you do not have to remove the glove box door. It's hidden inside this panel, and then there's another hidden panel behind it. All right, so right off the bat, you push this panel in. This looks like a little shape of an L. This comes out of the way. All right, then there's another hidden compartment in there. There's two little clips, one on each side. Just push them in, and that will come out. Simple, like that. Then the air filter is hidden in there. All right, notice that this one says that this filter has to be installed up. Has nothing to do with airflow. Okay, so just remember, so when you have your replacement one, the replacement one is going to not say up, it's going to say airflow. Okay, so in this particular model, the airflow goes down this way because you're going to see all the dirt up on top. All right, so make sure that this goes this way. Don't think that because you're following an arrow that goes the other way. All right, so let's pull this out slowly and see what's hidden inside this filter. It looks like it's been changed before, but you can see it's been there for a while. There you go. Hey, there's a screw in there. All right, yeah, that's pretty filthy. All right, let's look at the other side. Hold that screw there. Yeah. All right, I don't know where that screw came from, but make sure it doesn't fall in my driveway, and then I end up with a flat. But there you go. Look at all these little things in there. All right, gotta change the filters, people. All right, so back to over here. All right, so now we're back. Now that Peter, our dog, went inside to go eat. All right, so here's the filter now. Remember what I said. Airflow is going to go down now because all the dirt was up on top. All right, so all the debris came this way, and the airflow is that way. So in this particular model, it's going to go right in here. Let's go stick it in here. Dun, 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 dun. Oops, gotta go this way, people. There you go. All right, it's going to go in that way. Fits nice and flush. This piece here is going to snap right in. I normally would have two hands helping me. But the other hand has to hold the camera. There you go, snap one, snap two. Okay, and then we got the little black panel with the little L. All right, the little clip there is gonna go in here. And this goes in here like that. And that's it, and you're all set. All right, try to put everything back the way the customer had it. All right, with everything that they had in here, and then that's it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Ciao.